For me, it was almost like winter didn't count. Summer was what mattered. My whole life was measured in summers. Like, I don't really begin living until June.
Hey guys, what's up? I am Sakshi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My exams literally got over yesterday and I slept like a baby last night. I think I slept for like 14 or 15 hours and I was legit sleeping for 2 to 3 hours every single day while I was giving my exam. So it was like a very stressful week for me. Let's not talk about that. But anyway, I am not thinking about my exams. मैंने अभी कल एग्जाम्स खत्म करे हैं, मेरे को उसके बारे में और नहीं सोचना है. So anyway, we are doing a post exam reset. We have a little bit of a mess to deal with, so I want to do like a room reset and clean my room.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now.
And I'm like, let's have a coffee. Hi guys, we are here at Blue Tokai. अभी कोई भी नहीं है, so I am talking. मतलब my sister is here, but that's about it. And I just shot like a what's in my bag video, which I will post on my Instagram, so you guys can go and check it out. And yeah, we are just here after my exams, and we're just chilling. We were yapping for like 2 hours, I think. Yeah. We just talked and talked about stuff because we just had too much to catch up about. Now we are just waiting for apparently a pretty auto to come because that person is not picking her call, and we are just waiting here for him. We had some coffee and I did not like mine that much. I had vanilla bean latte, बहुत ही ज़्यादा मीठी थी, so did not like it. Guys, we are at Chinna Nursery and we have just came to this cafe. We are waiting for our coffee right now, and now we're gonna talk and turn off this camera. Bye. Now that exams are over, we have to take care of ourselves. Like, it's a non-negotiable at this point because we are always and constantly just working towards one goal or the other, and it's very important to pause for a little bit and just be present. So what I like to do is basically just do like a little face mask, and it just makes me very happy and just read for some time. I love reading, so as a person who couldn't read for the past few months, I love the fact that I can read now, and it truly makes me so happy. This year, my goal is to read around 26 books, which I am super excited about. I am already done with 5, and this is what my current read is looking like. I picked it up the day my exams got over, and I am this much into the book, just like 130, 150 ish pages into it, and I am really enjoying the book so far. So what I want to do right now is just put on a face mask. Let me also show you guys the face mask that I am using. So this is the face mask that I got off of Amazon, and it's from a brand named Wild Oak. It's their healing mask, and yeah, this is what I'm gonna use right now. And yeah, also I feel it's super important to have hobbies that are not doom scrolling or just being on your phone. So what I like to do is I love journaling. I feel it's such a big part of my life, to be honest. Even though I don't journal every single day, I truly still love journaling a lot, and I think it's very crucial to keep like a record of your life that you can look at, that is not just photos or videos on your phone. So yeah, I just like to do that. Right now I am just gonna put on the face mask and just read for a bit and actually chill for God's sake, and not have to worry about my exams. Because yes, even though my result is now the worry, but I don't think I can just spend my entire life just worrying about things and not actually enjoying life, which is what the entire purpose of life is anyway. So yeah, let's just do some self-care now. You guys, now let's talk all about my plans now that my exams are over. First things first, please just ignore this voice that is coming. We are getting some construction done at our home, so just bear with it and bear with me, please. So yeah, the thing is that I am now going to prepare for my group 2 and I have actually just started my prep. So I thought I will talk a little bit about it with you all. So I am basically preparing for group 2 DT and IDT right now, because for IBS I am thinking of starting for it from like uh, August and October, and like that's what my plan is. Because for IBS all you want to do is prepare all the 5 subjects and you just have to know how to look through the books. So if right now I start preparing for IBS, I don't think it will be that fruitful for me. But if you think I should change my strategy towards IBS, you can help me out with it, because I am also just a student and I don't know everything. So that is there. You guys can help me out with that. But that is what I am thinking of doing right now. And as for DT and IDT, मैंने दोनों की ही classes AIR1 Institute से ली है. I took IDT classes a couple of days back from them, and DT classes मैंने पहले से ही ले रखी थी, तो मेरी DT almost complete है. So वो मैं कर रही हूँ, and साथ साथ में मैं IDT भी कर रही हूँ. And then I'm also revising both of those subjects, and जो भी मैं क्लास में पढ़ रही हूँ वो मैं रिवाइज कर रही हूँ. I want to like get done with my DT next month, like middle तक. उसके बाद I want to like get hardcore into the mock test series thingy, because अभी result तो I think कि जून के end में या जुलाई के starting में आएगा, तो तब तक I have time and I don't need to panic about group 1, क्योंकि group 1 की I personally feel मेरी इनफ प्रैक्टिस हो रखी है. अगर जुलाई के स्टार्ट फर्स्ट वीक में भी अगर रिजल्ट आता है एंड इफ इट इज़ नेगेटिव, तो आई कैन स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर इट फ्रॉम देयर एंड इट विल बी फाइन. बट फॉर ग्रुप 2 आई थिंक आई नीड टू गिव इट अ लिटिल बिट मोर टाइम, बिकॉज मैं आईटी क्लासेस तो मैंने पहले बहुत ही थोड़ी सी ले रखी थी, तो आई नीड टू फोकस ऑन आईडीटी राइट नाउ. एंड आईडीटी वन ऑफ द मोस्ट स्कोरिंग सब्जेक्ट है ग्रुप 2 का, तो आई नीड टू टारगेट गुड मार्क्स इन इट. एंड मैंने क्लासेस ली थी 14th की नाइट को, एंड आई स्टार्टेड स्टडिंग फॉर इट फ्रॉम 15th. तो पहले मेरे पास मतलब ऑनलाइन नोट्स आ गए थे, तो आई वॉज स्टडिंग फ्रॉम दैम. बट टुडे माई बुक्स ऑल्सो अराइव. आई वॉज वेटिंग कि मैं ये वीडियो शूट करूँगी एंड आई विल शो यू गाइस हाउ द बुक्स आर. ऑनेस्टली थोड़ी सी बेकार पैकेजिंग है, क्योंकि दे हैव ऑलरेडी टीयर्ड हियर एंड देयर लाइक दिस, लुक एट दैट. बट या सारी फर्क पड़ता है क्लासेस, ठीक है, एंड आई एम एबल टू लाइक लर्न, तो दैट्स ऑल दैट मैटर्स. Okay, so we have this thing right here, which is IDT concept notes, and then this is how thick they are. Let me just see the number of pages. Oh, okay, I don't like that. It's kind of torn from here and here. I don't know how I feel about that, but मतलब मेरे पास अभी इतना टाइम है कि मैं वापस भेजूँ, तो I will just tape it up or something like that. Yeah, and then we have the question bank. Again, it's not too thick. या सो दैट्स अबाउट इट. आईडीटी क्लासेस मैंने ले लिया है. मैंने दो लेक्चर्स देख लिए हैं एंड आई एम गोना वॉच द थर्ड लेक्चर टुडे. एंड डीटी का भी मैं लेक्चर देख रही हूँ, क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस कर रही हूँ एंड आई एम रिवाइजिंग व्हाट इज बीइंग टॉट इन द क्लास. तो या दैट्स अबाउट इट. दैट्स व्हाट माई स्ट्रेटेजी इज लाइक राइट नाउ. एंड अभी जब रिजल्ट आ जाएगा उसके बाद अगर मेरा ग्रुप 1 फिर से देना होगा तो फिर I will share my strategy according to that with you all, because तब I will also have to think again about it, like how I want to proceed. But तब तक मेरा DT पूरा complete हो चुका होगा and IDT भी almost complete होने वाला होगा, तो I will be in a much better place. And yeah, that's about it.